The second subtopic is hypothesis testing for one population mean when sigma is unknown. So when you read the question, you have to differentiate whether the sigma is given or sigma is not given in the question. Because if the sigma is unknown, you have to use t-test instead of z-test. Okay, look at example number 2. A manager of a restaurant claims that the average time taken to serve food after the customer places an order is within 20 minutes. A recent random sample of 30 customers showed that the mean time taken to serve food to them was 20.75 minutes with a standard deviation 1.85 minutes. Test the claim made by the restaurant manager at 5% significance level. Okay, so the information given is you are having the sample of 30 and the mean from sample is 20.75 with the standard deviation 1.85. So this standard deviation is referring to the sample of 30. So the given value here is S, which is 1.85 sample standard deviation. Then you are having 5% significance level. This is your alpha value. So if you are having sample standard deviation, then you are having t-test. Okay, step number 1, stating the null and alternative hypothesis. So what is the claim made by the manager? The claim is time taken to serve food within 20 minutes. So within 20 minutes, the symbol is less or equivalent to 20. So you have the equality here. That's why your claim is at the null hypothesis. So your null will be H0 mu is less or equivalent to 20. Then the alternative is the contradict statement, which is you have mu is more than 20. So make sure you have the correct step 1 here. Move to step number 2 is critical value and rejection region. Rejection region is based on the alternative hypothesis. When you have more than symbol, then your rejection region will be at your right hand side. Then the alpha value is the area of your rejection region, which is alpha given is 5%, so 0.05. Then you have the yellow area here denoted as non-rejection region. The cut-off value between these two regions we call as the critical value. So how to have the critical value? You have to use the t-test because the sigma is unknown here. In order to use t-test, you have to have the degree of freedom. Remember how to find df? N minus 1. Your n is 30 minus 1 is 29. So refer to the degree of freedom 29 with the probability 0.05. So this is t table. The probability is 0.05 and your degree of freedom is 29. So the intersection value is your answer for the critical value. You have 1.699 as your answer. 1.699. Then move to the third step is calculating the test statistic value. The formula is x bar minus mu over standard error for sigma unknown is S over square root of N. So average from sample is 20.75. The population mean is 20. S is 1.85 divided by square root of N is 30. So your T value is 2.22. Okay. Step number 4 is make decision. How to make decision based on the test statistic value, whether this value fall in the yellow area or the red area. So 2.22 fall somewhere here, which is in your rejection region. Then you have to reject the null hypothesis. So you can say since test statistic value did fall in rejection region, hence we reject H0. Okay. So what happens if you reject H0? Meaning that you are rejecting the claim. So you are accepting the second statement. So question asks, test the claim made by the restaurant manager. So how can you conclude? At 5% significance level, we do have enough evidence to reject the claim. Because the question just asked to test the claim. So it's up to you whether you want to say about the rejecting claim or you want to say the whole sentence. Or you can say that at 5% significance level, we do have enough evidence to say that the mean time taken to serve food after customer places an order is more than 20 minutes. So this is more than 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes. Meaning that you are saying you have enough evidence to say that that statement is true. Okay, that's how you conclude.